everyone. Welcome back to my channel Aarav Prasad. By the way, my name is Aarav Prasad. Today we are gonna learn about once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Okay, let's see one more time so you remember. Okay? So, yeah. Let's do that again. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. And new words, bird, hop, stop, tail. Let me check this one. Okay, I will be back. I think that's. Wait a second. Window. Let's read. The bird flies out of the window. We must stop cutting trees. So guys, if you like I read the poem, then like and subscribe. And thank you and bye bye.